Today we learn what is SEO and how to grow your business by proper SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It refers to the process of optimizing a website, blog, or online content to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. The ultimate goal of SEO is to drive organic, non-paid, traffic to a website by increasing its relevance and authority in the eyes of search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. SEO encompasses a wide range of techniques and strategies, including keyword research. Keyword research identifying the terms and phrases that people are using to search for relevant content in your industry or niche. On-page optimization. On-page optimization optimizing various elements on your website such as titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content to make them more search engine friendly and relevant to target keywords. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization building backlinks from other authoritative websites to increase your site's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. Technical SEO. Technical SEO ensuring that your website is technically sound and can be easily crawled and indexed by search engine bots. This includes factors like site speed, mobile friendliness, and proper URL structure. Content marketing. Content marketing creating high-quality, relevant, and engaging content that attracts and retains users' attention. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Local SEO. Local SEO optimizing your website to appear in local search results, especially important for brick-and-mortar businesses targeting local customers. UX optimization. UX means user experience optimization, improving the overall user experience of your website to increase engagement, reduce bounce rates, and improve conversion rates. SEO is an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring, analysis, and adaptation to changes in search engine algorithms and user behavior. While it can take time to see significant results from SEO efforts, the long-term benefits of increased organic traffic and improved visibility can be highly valuable for businesses and website owners. Thanks for watching.